In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an organization as default in Zoho Books. If you work with multiple organizations in Zoho Books, setting a default one can save you time and prevent mistakes, especially when you're switching back and forth between different sets of books. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to look for, so you always land in the correct organization when you log in. Let's start from your Zoho Books dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see the current organization name displayed in the header area. This is usually near the top left corner, and it's the name of the organization you're currently viewing. Go ahead and click directly on that organization name. When you do, Zoho will open a small menu or drop-down that gives you options related to your organizations. From this menu, look for the option labeled Manage. This is the section Zoho uses to let you view and control all the organizations linked to your account. Click on Manage. Once you're there, you'll be taken to a dedicated organizations page. Here, you should see a list of all the organizations you have access to, each usually shown with its name and some basic details. Take a moment to locate the organization that you want to set as your default. This is the one you want Zoho Books to open automatically every time you sign in, unless you manually choose a different one. On the right-hand side of that organization's row, you'll notice an icon with 3 small dots, often called the More Options or Kebab menu. Move your mouse over to those 3 dots and click on them. After clicking, a small menu will appear with several options for that specific organization. In that list, look for the option that says Make as Default. Go ahead and click Make as Default. Once you do, Zoho Books will update your settings so that this organization becomes your primary one. From now on, whenever you log into Zoho Books, it should automatically open this default organization first. If you ever need to change it again, you can repeat these same steps. Click the organization name at the top, go to Manage, open the 3-dot menu next to a different organization, and select Make as Default. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you ensure your